In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to work with formulas in Monday.com so you can automate calculations, save time, and get more insights directly inside your boards. If you've ever wanted Monday.com to automatically calculate totals, percentages, or custom logic for your projects, this step-by-step guide is for you. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. First, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the board where you want to use formulas. This can be a project tracker, a budget board, a sales pipeline, or any board where you're working with numbers or structured data. Formulas work directly within a board, so you'll need to choose the specific board where you want your calculations to happen. Now that your board is open, the first thing we need to do is add a formula column. To do this, scroll to the right side of your columns and click on the Add Column button. From the list of available column types, select Formula. Once you click it, a new formula column will appear on your board. Go ahead and rename this column to something meaningful, like total cost, completion percentage, profit margin, or whatever matches the calculation you want to create. Naming your column clearly is important so you and your team understand what the formula represents. Next, let's enter your formula. Click on any cell inside the formula column. This will open the formula editor. Inside this editor, you'll build your calculation using values from other columns on your board. In Monday.com, you reference other columns by typing their exact column name inside curly braces. For example, if you have a column called unit price and another called quantity, you would type open curly brace, unit price, close curly brace, then multiply symbol, then open curly brace, quantity, close curly brace. That formula will automatically calculate the total cost for each row. You can also use built-in functions to create more advanced logic. For example, you can use the if function to create conditional logic. You might write something like if, open parentheses, open curly brace, status, close curly brace, equals done, comma, 100, comma, 0, close parentheses, to return a value based on status. You can use round-to-round numbers, sum to add values, concatenate to combine text, and many other available functions. The editor even provides suggestions and guidance as you type, which makes it easier to build accurate formulas. Once you've written your formula, click Save or press Enter to apply it. Immediately, Monday.com will calculate the results for every item in that board. The formula column automatically updates for all existing rows and any new rows you add in the future. This is what makes formulas so powerful. They dynamically respond to changes in your data. After saving, it's important to test your formula. Go to the columns you referenced and change some values. For example, adjust the unit price or quantity and watch how the total cost updates instantly. If something doesn't look right, click back into the formula column, edit the formula, and correct any errors. Sometimes small typos in column names or missing brackets can cause issues, so double-check your syntax if needed. Once your formula is working correctly, you can take things even further. One powerful feature is conditional coloring. You can set up rules that highlight cells when certain formula results meet specific conditions, like turning red if costs exceed a budget or green if completion reaches 100%. This makes your board more visual and easier to scan. You can also use dashboards to display and visualize the calculated values from your formulas. Add widgets like charts, numbers, or battery widgets to track totals, averages, or performance metrics across your board. This turns your formulas into actionable insights that help with decision-making and reporting. And that's how you work with formulas in Monday.com. From adding a formula column, to referencing other columns with curly braces, to using built-in functions and visualizing results, you now have everything you need to start automating calculations inside your boards. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.